We are here at building number 5, also along with the services center here at Orange Tech University in Southfield, Michigan, and we have an elevator here. Let's take a ride on it. Schindler Haughton. Look at that old phone. There's a penthouse as well, but the penthouse you have to have a key to get there. Let's go to 3. Ooh, we over leveled and then re-leveled. Door close might work after a certain period of time. Let's get a quick cab view. Very blue, which makes sense since Orange Tech. Big cover is blue. Love that classic leveling. So maybe it didn't over level, maybe it just was classic leveling. Yeah, door close might work. Classic leveling. As I was saying earlier, why it's so blue. Orange Tech is home with the Blue Devils, so that explains all the blue. All right, that'll be it. There's the map right there, and that will be it.